Root x plus root y equal to 2023. So, because it is the square root of 2023, first try to prime factorize this number. It is important. Okay, let's prime factorize 2023. 2023, is it multiple of 3? No. Sum of digits is not multiple of 3. Multiple of 5? No. Multiple of 7. Let's check. 3, 2 times 7, 14, 62. Yes, it is multiple of 7. You can say 7 times 2, 14, 62, and 8, 63, 9. 289 is 17 squared. So it will be 7 times, let me check. It's 7 times 17 squared. If you simplify, it will be 17 root 7. Now, here I want to tell you something. I want to see x and y should be what numbers? X and y are integers in this. And we know that x and y should be at least 0 because they are inside the square root. Now, square root of x equal to square root of 2023 minus the square root of y. Now I raise both sides to the power of 2. Here you should know famous identity that a minus b squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. And if you apply it here, left hand side will be x, right hand side will be root 2023 squared plus root y squared minus 2 times root 2023 times root y. Let's erase this part. Okay. Now, simplify it as much as you can. Okay. X equal to root 2023 squared equal to 2023. Root y squared is y minus 2 times root 2023 times y. Now, if you take these to left hand side and all other things to right hand side, 2 times square root of 2023y equal to 2023 plus y minus x. Because x and y from assumption of the problem is integer, so right hand side is integer. So we conclude left hand side also has to be integer. Because left hand side has to be integer, we conclude what? Inside square root should be perfect square. So 2023 times y is perfect square. We prime factorize that. We conclude that 2023 is 7 times 17 times y. It is perfect square. So from this part, can you find the general form of y should be what? Such that 7 times 17 squared times y is perfect square. Try. So y should have, because the power of 7 is 1, y should be 7, for example, w squared. Then it will be okay. Similarly, we can say by the same way, or similarly, we can say x should be 7, for example, r squared. WR without loss of generality or at least 0. So let's replace. We know root x plus root y equal to root 2023, which we said equal to 7 root 17 root 7. Okay, here we said. Now, y equal to 7w squared, this part, x equal to 7r squared. If you replace x equal to 7r squared root 7r squared w. 7w squared, and we said without loss of generality, suppose that r and w are at least 0, equal to 17 root 7. If we simplify, in next step, what can we conclude? We say square root of 7 R squared is R root 7. The next one, W root 7. Last one, 17 root 7. Now, all of them, all terms have root 7. So it's good to do what? It's good to divide both sides by root 7. We conclude. R plus W equal to 17. So because R and W are at least 0, it will be 0, 17, 1, 16, 2, 15, up to 15, 2, 16, 1, 17, 0. Now, x is 7 r squared. So in each case, you can find all x and y. 7 r squared, it will be 0. Y is 7 times 17 squared. The next 7 times 1 squared, 7 times 16 squared. The next 7 times 2 squared, 7 times 15 squared. And so on. And the last one, 7 times 17 squared, 7 times 0 squared, which is 0. So we found 18 answers for this problem. Okay, as a homework, try to solve root x plus root y equal to root 2024, because these numbers related to years are good to know prime factorization of, and they will be useful. X and y are integers. And see how many answers are there. Try to solve it as homework. And if you want to learn more ideas, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the comments and description. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. Bye bye.